Tara, let's and make Filipino-style spaghetti. First, our pasta. I like mine al dente kaya I only cooked it for 10 minutes. And now for the sauce, maglagay tayo ng oil sa pan, onions and garlic, and then let's saute. And then we add our ground beef. At pag nag-color brown ng meat natin, we can add our hot dogs na rin. Salt and pepper to taste. And, of course, mushrooms to elevate this dish. For the sauce, I use 2 packs of these Filipino-style spaghetti. Stir and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can add our all-purpose cream to make it creamy. Stir lang, and then voila! I promise, masarap to guys. This is best served with garlic bread na isi-share ko rin ang recipe sa inyo soon. Enjoy!